Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this watercolor text effect on Photoshop. This will be a very long tutorial because I have all the notes on the left here. Like I can't memorize it, but you're just going to right click and then you're going to convert to smart object here and you're going to select the smart object. Go to the canvas size and you're going to do 1500 and then 1000 here. Press OK. Then you're going to double click on this. Go to the inner glow. Select normal 100% and then we're going to make the size 20 pixels and press OK. And then press save. So I'm just going to press Ctrl S on my keyboard and go back to the main one. We're then going to double click on it and then we're going to press Alt on our keyboard and drag this to the very left. Then we're going to press OK. We're then going to filter, render, difference clouds, and we're going to add that on. Then we're going to go to the filter, then filter gallery, and then we're going to add the sponge one, which is this one, and then we're going to do 5, 1, and 15. Then we're going to add another effect on top, so we're going to press the plus button, and we're going to add cutout. We're going to do maximum, minimum, and minimum. Then we're going to press OK. Then we're going to go to filter and then filter gallery again. And then we're just going to remove sponge here and then, cutout, sorry. And then we're going to select the watercolor one. And then we're going to use the settings and press OK. Then we're going to reduce the opacity. Hold on. On this one. Oh, sorry. And then we're going to adjust the opacity on it to 20%. Then you're going to select OK. Go to filter and then filter gallery again. And then you're going to add grain, which is under texture. And we're going to do 44 and then 33. Then we're going to add another filter on top, so we're going to press the plus button. Then we're going to choose stamp under the sketch section here. And then we're going to change the settings to 8 and 3. Then we're going to press OK. Again, using this, we're going to press the settings. And we're going to select overlay. And we're going to select 15%. Whoops. Then we're going to press OK. Sorry, there's going to be a lot of steps. I like to tell you at the beginning. Go to filter, noise, and add noise. Put the settings to 5% and make sure the Gaussian and monochromatic option is checked. And then you're just going to press OK. Then go to filter, distort, and then you're going to select ripple. set it to the 20% and the size at large. Press OK. Then to add in like the color you want, I guess, you're going to double click on the option here. Go to the color overlay and you can change it to any color you want. And that is pretty much it. Here you can kind of change it to another color. Maybe start with like a black base actually. Press OK, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!